Today I'm taking a look at the Solareye X1 Violent Turbo Fan. So we do have instructions. So very interesting, the grip actually wraps all the way around the top and around the sides. I have never seen that on a tool before. So the rear is plastic, the front is plastic, and then we got this nice rubber grip wrapping all the way around. We have got one heck of a fan on the back. We have a threaded nozzle. It looks fairly open in there. On the front we have a trigger. On the bottom we have a USB-C charging port, and we have our power switch. And it looks like it does come fully charged. Nice. So there are a few of these fans that actually live up to my expectations. This, I can tell, is definitely one of them. It's interesting, it actually has a little blue light. Cool. Looks like we also come with a few other nozzles. So we have a more narrow nozzle if you want to make it even more violent. And then we have an inflator nozzle. So if you want to inflate an inflatable, use this. We can make sure the air will poke out the sides instead of getting jammed up against something. We got our charging cable. That is USB-A to USB-C. We have a tether and we got a box. So this is a very soft, very nice little pouch. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. So we got a whole cleaning kit in here. So if we want to detail our car or something like that, we want to make sure we can get inside all the little nooks and crannies. We can use this in combination with this and really do fine detail work. Yeah, that's interesting. So my first thought was that this would untwist and you twist the new one on. This actually stays on and the other nozzles click onto it. So you can see it indenting my skin. And that guy has got quite a bit of force on it. Pretty cool. So, this will be as good a time as any to clean out the computer. I'm just going to aim for the vents. And blast out whatever I can get. Aside from taking all the screws out and taking the entire case apart, that is going to be about as good as that is going to get. So overall, that is a very nice duster.